Camshaft replaced. Valve adjustment front and back. New belt. Serpentine belt. Timing belt. Tensioner. Water pump. Ticking noise is still there. Does anybody have an idea what I should look for next or what I should fix next? I don't know what this noise is.